You know that typical applications in process industries have controlled process valves. These process valves, they consist out of the process valve itself, the quarter turn actuator, and also the positioner. But very often it is not enough because the actuator is so big they require additional booster, or in safety applications they require also additional pilot valves. So all these additional devices, they have to be also assembled together into one unit. This year at Festo we are launching two new products, a positioner and a new installation concept, what I'm going to show you later on, which address exactly these kind of situations, making your life a lot easier and also reducing the potential damage or potential situations of shutdowns or leakages in the application itself. Let me show you these two new products and the features they have in order to support these kind of applications and make your life easier in the plants. These two new devices are shown on this dynamic display here. Let us start with the positioner. The CMSH is our two-wire positioner addressing the high demands of, for example, chemical industry, such as explosion-proof, safety, and also sturdiness. The second one is the VTOP, a new installation concept for these kind of control applications, where you require, depending on the application, you can select an emergency shutdown pilot valve, you can select a booster, filter regulator, or combine them as you require in the application. As you can see, these additional modules can be adapted and added without using additional fittings and tubings, for example. The combination of the CMSH and the VTOP can be used for quarter turn actuators as well as for linear actuators. As you have seen, these two new products complement the product range from Festo very well. Let us know where we can support and develop with you new solutions in order to make your plants more efficient.